All right. So second round. Okay, the first winner was Kashi. Second round, let's see what's gonna happen. Winner. Winner surely is a winner. Okay. So number 2 is winner.
Yeah.
Winner, you just won yourself a free mentorship on men.
Thanks. I'm really grateful.
And then this is the last round, guys. I don't know. Do I want to do? Let me just add one more winner, man. I'm just gonna add one more winner because I feel like it's not fair. Okay. Boom. Round number 3. Winner again. That's pointless. That's pointless. Winner already won. Let's do it again. EK. God damn, EK won. Number 3 is EK. EK, you just won yourself a free. You just won yourself a free mentorship, my guy. So and then okay, so I'm gonna add one more winner out of all of these guys. Okay. So let's see what happens, guys. Okay, we already have that. Do it again. Woohoo! My main man Nutty. And we have Nutty, number 4. Okay. So guys, those are the winners, man. The winners for this raffle are Kashi, winner, Ike, and Nutty. So you guys won yourself a free mentorship. I'm actually going to I wrote your names down. Okay, I'm gonna post the list on the group as well. So congratulations, guys, on your winning. And
thanks a lot, man.
Pleasure. We are going to start tomorrow. Yes, okay, we're starting tomorrow, same time. Okay. And also, you guys are already you're already advanced traders. Like you already know how to trade, so I won't have to go from scratch again, teaching you from scratch. Like I'm just gonna go straight from the strategy and then the risk management and psychology. And then from there, I'm gonna put you guys into the premium Discord. And from there, guys, I just want you to show me also like you need to show me some sort of effort, and we're gonna start making that money. Okay.
Thank you, Randy.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, so I'm going to focus. I'm going to focus on the 3 of you guys. I mean, the 4 of you. Sorry, I'm going to focus on the 4 of you guys for the next 3 months. Like I won't really be on the free Discord that much because I am going to focus on you guys mainly. So let's just okay. So now I'm going to share my screen to show you to do the midweek recap. Okay. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you like the trades that I took from Monday, and that way it gives you also some sort of perspective on what to do next time. Okay. For the for what to do for the rest of the week. Okay. So I'm going to share my screen now. Okay. Share my screen real quick. Here's my MetaTrader. God dang, this is MetaTrader. Can't find it. Right. Okay. So let me know when you see the screen, guys.
Yeah, we can see it, Randy.
Okay, cool. So I'm going to start with V75. Okay, V75. I'm going to show you what happened like this week. There was there was a lot of money on this pair, man. I made so much from this pair. Sorry, I made so much from this pair this week, man. Like Monday. Yeah, Monday. It was Monday. Okay, so guys, remember, I'm gonna start from the daily real quick. Okay, remember, guys, I told you that I'm expecting a move to the upside, but right now, what price is doing is it's just playing around this area right here. Okay, so this move here is it's a pullback of like a H4 order block. Okay, so let me just show you what I mean. Okay, so we can clearly see that overall here, this is a downtrend. Okay, and this is possibly a mitigation of this impulse. Okay, So if I place this line right here, okay, place this line right here. Okay. I place this line right here. You can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4 touches right here. Okay, and each time price touched an area like this, it went up. And look at what's happening here. You see what's happening here? It's exactly what's going to happen. What is meant to happen here? Okay, I'm not a prophet, but I'm just telling you based on like my knowledge. Okay, but just look here. Price touch here. It went up. It went down. Then it went up. It broke this low, and then it fell. Okay, it fell. But when it fell, it didn't fall all the way down. It fell. It just stopped at this order block right here. Okay, it just stopped by this order block right here, and then it went up. Okay, but this is on the daily time frame. If I go on H4, you will see a similar scenario, similar scenario like this down here. Okay, so now that we know that we are on the fourth touch, okay, and look at this. Price already broke this structure right here, and then it broke this structure right here. Okay, so now let me jump to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, 4-hour time frame, you can clearly see that. Remember this scenario. Okay, remember this scenario here. Okay. And then look at this. Okay, let me just show you something. Okay? Price touched the line, it went up, it went down, and then broke the line. Okay, it broke the line, it came back to this daily order block, and then what happened? An impulse move up. Okay, now look at here. Price touched the line, it went up, it dropped. Okay, it broke it, and then what's happening next? We're coming back for. They are coming back for this order block right here before an impulse move. Okay, but this move down right here is also tradable. Okay, while we're waiting for that impulse move up, right now price is in the downtrend. Okay, so what we're trading now is this downtrend right here. Okay, so I'm gonna get to this. I'm gonna get to this when I'm done with what happened for Monday. Okay, so now Monday, remember Monday we had. Let me just put a period separator real quick. Sorry, guys. Period separator. Okay. Okay, so that's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay. Sorry. Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. Okay. And then just place the line right here and then remove this. Okay. So boom. Now, say it was on Sunday. You want to do your analysis to capitalize on this move. Okay. You know that, okay, we just broke structure right here, okay? So obviously what I can do, you can also like place your line of sensitivity right there, okay? Boom, 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 boom. And then you knew that, okay, boom, Monday, I think Monday, this is what happened, okay? We had this order block right here, okay? We had this order block right there, okay? This order block right here. Okay, and that order block just recently it had broken structure. Let me move this line real quick. Okay. That order block had broken structure. Okay, if I go to the 1 hour, okay, makes a lot more sense. Okay. This is that order block right here. Okay. Okay, it broke structure. Okay, now you as a trader, you already know, okay? If they broke structure right here, when they come back, that's when I'm going to buy. Okay. So they broke structure, break the structure right there. Break a structure right there. Try to mitigate it back. So I'm going to go to M15. Okay. And the M15, look what happened. Okay. When they broke structure and then there was a mitigation down. Okay. That mitigation, I'm going to go to I usually go to a 5-minute time frame to make sense of what's going on. Okay. Boom. So I had this channel right here. Okay. We had that channel. Okay. The price went down in a downtrending fashion. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. And then they broke this was a trend line break. Okay? Then they broke the trend line and then they started consolidating. When that consolidation happens, you already know this is nothing but liquidity. Okay. It is liquidity. This price needs to come back. Price needs to come back down before the move up. Okay, boom. Where they need to come back to? They need to come back to this order block. They broke up. They broke to the upside. They liquidity grab. Okay, boom. The release price to the downside, making people think that they're selling. No, but they're not selling. They're only selling all the way down here. And when they got down to this point, you could have bought here. Bought here, that's your first buy. That's your first buy right here. But remember, the first obstacle is this order block right here. Okay. You should know, like if you take the first entry like this, just know that your first obstacle is this order block right here. So what I'm starting to do is that I open like 4 position here. Okay, 4 position. I exit 2, and then I break even. Okay, and then I lock my trade on the remaining 2. Okay, that way if price comes back like this, takes me out, I've already made profit from the 2. If they take me out and show me another entry, I enter again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then boom, and then I'll just, when they come back for a second time like this, I'll hold it all the way through. Okay, so that's the first entry. Okay, we had the first entry, price came up, came back, break even. They gave you a second opportunity. Okay, second entry, price went up, took out this high. Okay, remember when they take out this high, you should already know. Okay, they took out this high, you already know. Okay, so if they took out this high, they probably coming back for the order block responsible for this break. Okay, so the order block responsible for that break is this order block right here. Okay, I think someone doesn't have his mic muted. I keep hearing a funny sound. Let me mute this mic. Okay, mute your mic. Mute all of your mic, guys. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so boom. So you already know if they break structure right here, they're coming back for the candle responsible for that break. In that case, that's exactly what it did. They came back here and then closed bullish again. Okay, that's your second entry. If you had entered here and say you didn't lock your, like, if you had locked your, obviously when price breaks a high like this, you are supposed to be locking your trades. Okay, so if you had locked, then these trades would have been at break even. But don't worry, even if they're break even, now you have another entry again. Okay, this is the final entry now. Price took off from here. Okay, boom, you enter your trades, and then remember TP. For TP, you spread your fib from the high point to the low point. Okay, target number 1 is 100%. Target number 2 is 161.8, and this got touched to the T. Now, when price got up there, okay, remember we were expecting a move down. Okay, so price went up, but where did it stop? It stopped at this order block right here. Okay, so obviously you would have had this order block marked, but you would have also had marked this order block. Okay, either one of the two, I would have marked them both. Okay, so now you know that, okay, I've already made money from this trade. Okay, now now I want to sell, because also, like, if I go to the higher time frame, you can see that we created like a head and shoulder. Okay, we created a head and shoulder. Okay, then boom. Then boom, you go down to the lower time frame, you mark your order block, and then you mark this order block, and then you mark this order block. And I go to the M15, try to find entry. Okay, M15, you see here we had an impulse move, and then price did something like this, and then it impulsed again. Okay, when it impulsed, it closed with an engulfing like this. That's an entry, guys. This is a crazy entry. If you see something like this, my man, you need to go hard. Okay, boom, you enter right here. Price went down, little bit of drawdown, and then it fell. It never came back to that area, never. Okay, and then also they broke the structure right here. Okay, they broke the structure, and you had this OB right here. Okay, OB responsible for that break. It dropped, came back to that OB. If you want precise entry, you can go to the M5 or M15 for like a precise entry. Like already you can see here, we have an M formation. Okay, boom, went up, fell down, it went up like this. At the engulfing, someone, guys, you need to mute your mic, man. I keep telling you to mute your mic, guys. Like, this is so annoying, man. Who's that? Ah, all the mics are muted. Sorry. Okay, so boom, price got to the order block, it went down, and then it went up like this. By the engulfing, you can already enter. Okay, you can have your pre-breakout entry right here. Okay, but if you are more conservative, you want to see sellers coming in, then you just wait for key structure break. Okay, Just wait for your structure break. Okay. Price broke. Okay. Price broke right there. And then target again. Target's the same thing. Same thing for target. Point low to point high. Okay. Target number one, 100%. Target number two, 161.8. Guys, I'm not making these stuff up. I'm not making these stuff up. It's not like I'm making these things up when I'm off the Zoom burrow. These are the things that are happening. So you could have TP number one, like say you open 2 trades, 1, 2. TP number one, TP number 2. They were hits to perfection, like flawless. This was flawless, man. Like now imagine this is now I want to blow your mind. Okay, let me blow your mind for a bit. Okay. Say you have $10. Okay, you have $10. You have your last $10. Okay, so now you wanted to trade this move. Okay. Now I told you that this was liquidity. Okay, price had to drop before the move happens. Okay, I like to take entries at like the 5-minute time frame because for better entry. Okay, boom, your first entry would have been right here. Okay, you enter here, you have $10. Okay, $10, and you're aiming for the 100%. Mute your mic. Whoever just came in, please mute your mic, guys. Come on. Okay. Yeah, so listen, you had $10, right? That was awesome. Sorry, I lost my train of thought a little bit. Okay, you have $10, okay? You enter here, number one, okay? 1, 2, because obviously you have $10, right? You enter here with 2, because what? You know that this is your first obstacle, okay? So let me have my calculator, bro. Let me have my calculator, so that way you guys know that I'm not playing games, man. I'm not playing games. But what I'm telling you is really true. I'm gonna have my calculator. I'm gonna break this down for you guys. Okay, you started here with $10. You open 2 position, the first entry, 1, 2. The first position, okay, the first position, boom. The 2 position go in. Obviously here, this is your first obstacle, right? So your first TP is your first obstacle. Boom, TP hit. Okay, you made $4.6. Okay, with the smallest lot size, that's $4.6. Okay, the second position gets stopped out. Okay, second position gets stopped out, then you have new entry. Okay, then you have a new entry. You enter 1, 2 again, 1, 2. Okay, but then in this case, both trade would have been stopped out. Why? Because you have a breaker structure right here. Okay, when you have a breaker structure, usually what the thought process is that price is going to mitigate back to this order block before the move up. Okay, so obviously when you see a breaker structure like this, you lock your trade, hoping that price will move. Okay, in this case, they came back all the way down to the entry, so they would have taken you out, but no problem. But look what happened next. They gave you the third entry. Okay, here you would have entered 2 again. Remember now, you start with $10. You have 14.6. Okay, you have $14.6. With $14.6, you can open 0.003. Okay, or you can open 0.001 3 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and then you tell yourself that okay, the 2 positions I'm going to exit at the 0% Fibonacci zone. Okay, so boom, 2%, you're going to exit at the 0%, and then the last position you're going to exit at the 161.8. Okay, so let's just calculate that. Boom, 2 position at 0%, that's $29. Okay, $29 times 2. Okay, so that's 58, right? If I'm right, yeah. So now you've made $58 with the 2 positions. Okay, and then now with the position on the position that's going to the 168. Okay, position that goes to the 168. Oh, sorry, what's that? Sorry guys, what am I saying? What am I doing? Sorry. Okay, let me backtrack a little bit. Okay, so wait, it's from here. Let me backtrack, guys. Sorry, let me remove this fib. Okay, the TP for this is from this high and this low. Okay, so from this position, your first 2 positions you've made $13. Okay, So that's $26. Okay, $26. Okay, $26 for the supposition, and then the running to the 161.8. You've made 24. Okay, plus 24. 24. Okay, so already that is come on. That's $50. Okay, $50 for these three positions, plus the 14.6 that you have in your account. Okay. $14.6 that you have in your account. So now you are up $64, $64.6. Okay. And then now you've taken this trade. Okay, you've taken the move down. Okay, now with 64, with 64.6. My man, you already know, like you can either decide to withdraw the $40 and then leave the $20 that's remaining to do something even crazier. Okay, say now you take out the you take out $40. Okay, now you're remaining with like $24, and you're like, with this $24, I want to open 7 position. Okay, 0.001. Okay, 7.007 0.001, and then I'm going to exit 4 at the 0%, and then the rest I'm going to exit, and then the remaining 3 I'm going to exit at the 161.8. Okay, so now look, sorry guys, I'm getting close to entry on V75. Okay, I'll show you what I'm looking at. Okay, so boom, you've entered. Let me spread the Fibonacci real quick. Sorry guys, I'm gonna make this quick. Boom. Okay, so you've entered here. You've entered 7th position right there. Okay, and then you told yourself that, okay, I'm gonna enter 7th position here. 4 will exit at the 100%, and the remaining 3 will exit at the 161.8. Okay, so this is day 2 now. Okay, this is day 2. You started on Monday. This is Tuesday now. Okay, I think this was Tuesday at like 3 a.m. But you had to like stay awake for you to actually capitalize on it. Now this is day number 2. Okay, you've withdrew what? You withdrew $40, and then you have and then you have $24.6 remaining. Okay, so now you open a 0.001 7 times. Okay, because you know that, okay, you're allowed to do that, because when you enter like this, the drawdown on this move was like just do $1.7 times 4. Okay, $1.7 times 4. Sorry, $1.7 times $1.7 times 7. The drawdown here was $11. Nothing. You're trading a $24 account, so that's nothing to you. That's where the emotion comes in as well. Like, your emotion needs to be strong to do something like this. Then boom, you had a slight $11 drawdown. Okay, a slight $11 drawdown. Okay, and then boom, price went all the way down to your target number 1. Okay, oof, bro, guys, look at this. Sorry. Okay, boom, look at this. Boom, target number 1 got hit. That's $27. Okay, $27 times 4. Okay, now do $27 times 4. 27 times 4. Okay, now on this move right here, you've made $108. Okay, $108 with the 4 position that you just exited at the 100% level. Now the remaining 3 are going for the 161.8, right? The remaining 3 have made 48 times 3. Okay, $144. Okay, now that's just if you had opened here. Now imagine now if you wanted to scale, if you scaled in again. Yeah, if you scaled in and then you held all the way through. Okay, what is going to be a lot more money. So check this. Now you've made $144 in profit, plus the $24 that you had. Okay, plus the $24.6 that you had. That's 168.6 plus the withdrawal that you made, the $40 withdrawal that you made. Okay, Sorry. God damn it. Oh, sorry. Sorry, guys. Oh, crap. Okay, so 108 plus 144 plus plus 24, okay, plus the 24.6 plus the $40 that you withdrew, okay. So now in 2 days from $10, you've made a total of $316.6. Understand? In 2 days, you started here with 10, took this move up, boom, boom, 316. Okay, that's without scaling in. If you had scaled in here, you probably would have been like up $500 plus. Now, if you're even crazier, I mean, it just depends on what you want to do. If you're even crazier, you can do this, bam, and then here you risk probably like $40, and then when price does something like this, you're at $1,000. That's without scaling in. If you scaled in, when it does something like this, you're at like $2,000, $1,000. Very possible, guys. It's very, 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 very possible. And you started with $10. In 2 days, you had $2,000. Understand? So that's how crazy it is. That's what I was telling you guys. Like, if you see an opportunity and you understand what's going on, but in order for you to actually do these things, you need to understand how the market moves. If you don't know how the market moves, you're never going to do it. Like, how do you? So that's actually why you need to backtest. You need to backtest. You need to work on your psychology. You guys are lucky, the guys that want mentorship, because like I'm going to guide you through the. I'm going to guide you along the way on how to do these things. Okay. So that's just what happened with V75. I think there's like 10 minutes left. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you what's actually what I'm waiting for now. Okay. So now remember, guys, now let's say you have your $10. Okay. You start with $10. Now we are preparing. We are actually going all the way down here. Okay. We're going down to this OB right here. Okay. And then boom, we had a breaker structure. Okay. Got a breaker structure. And then price is currently at this order block right here. Okay, now I'm going to go to M13, okay? And boom, I can already see an imbalanced line right here, imbalanced zone. Okay, I don't like to call it a line, I like to call it a zone. Okay. So all I'm doing is I'm waiting for price to get to this zone, okay? If you get to the zone, what do you think I'm going to do? I'm going to go to the M5, okay? I'm going to go to the M5 and try to catch something like this. Try to catch something like this. And guys, when price gets to your point of interest, don't rush yourself and try to take things like this. Okay, you can take things like this, but always tell yourself that there's obstacle. You have an obstacle, okay? You have an obstacle right here. Price may U-turn from this area. So if you take this trade right here, be prepared to get out here. Like exit one of your position here and then lock the other one. And then when it does something like this, obviously you know this is a head and shoulder, but you can enter, whatever. Okay. So me now, what I'm doing is that here I'm going to be very patient. Like that's also one thing that I struggle with. I'm not that patient when price gets to my point of interest, but I'm really working on that. Okay, and also look at this. If I had to draw a channel line, okay, I had to draw a channel line like this. Okay, copy and paste. Okay, so you see that price actually needs to get here before the move down. Okay, and then move down. And then move down. One second. Okay, and then that move down. Sorry, guys. And then that move down with the smallest lot size, it's $37. If you open the smallest lot size, which is 0.001. But if you open two, that's probably like $70, $70 or something. Okay, guys. So I'm only going to break down this pair because we don't have enough time to do the other pairs. So yeah, it's probably like the similar stuff. Like even here, like if you do something quick here on V10, like even today, bro, like you could have scalped this move like you have no idea. Okay, although it was a bit funny, but just this move here could have made you a lot of money. Okay, how was it going to make you a lot of money? Like, just look at this. It's the same thing over and over again. Same analogy. Okay, look at this. Boom, from here. This was the first, could have been your first trade, breaker structure, order block, mitigation, you go to the M1. You go to the M1, leg number one, leg number two, boom, you enter, okay? You enter your two positions here, 1, 2. You have your first obstacle right here. First obstacle. Price did not react to it. It just broke through. Target number 1. Okay. Target number 1 is the 100% zone. Target number 2, 161.8. Okay. Boom, boom. See? 1, 2. Target hit. Okay. What you do again? You go back to the M15. Okay. Boom, boom. M15. Let me delete this thing real quick. Okay. M15. We have this order block right here. Okay. But it doesn't really make sense. And you go to M5 to see if there's something. Yeah. I think this is a trade that I took. Okay. M5, you could have actually probably have done something like this. You could have taken this order block right here. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Price fell down. M1. Okay. You go to the M1. You enter your first trade here. 1, 2. First obstacle. Okay. First obstacle right here. Obviously, you take profit for your first trade here. Okay. You take profit. You lock the second position. They came back and hit your stop loss. And then they fell again to the same zone. They gave you the same thing. It's the same thing. W. You could have taken the first leg or you wait for the second leg. Second leg, entry. TP. Spread Fibonacci. Okay. Spread your Fibonacci. 100% zone, 161.8. 100% zone got hit, 161.8. It got hit as well. Okay, boom. What's next? What's next? What's next? Okay, so that's 2 out of 2. Okay. And then what's next? Boom, same thing. OB. Okay. M1. Boom, entry, first obstacle. First position got hit, second one broken even, second entry, boom. TP1, just like that, bro. Just like that. You eating like the whole way. And then boom, over here, what happened? Okay, now you had to break the structure right here. Okay. If they break structure, okay, cool. If they broke structure, now I'm not a buyer anymore. I'm selling. Boom. Okay, boom. M1. M1. Entry number 1. First obstacle. First obstacle. You open 2 positions here. First obstacle, you get out 1 position and then you leg the other one. You come back here again. Give you a second leg. Pump, pump. Entry number 2. Boom. Target number 1, 161.8. Target number 1, 100%. Target number 2, 161.8. In this case, they didn't come back to it. This is not where you need to be smart. Why did it not come back? Okay. You go to the M15, you'll see that there's like there is this order block right here. Okay, look at this. The order block right there is holding price. Okay. So what I like to do when I see stuff like that, I'll probably set my target at the body of the order block. Just like that, guys. And then what's happening now? What's happening now? I mean, there's a sell. You can clearly see, like me, I'm actually going to sell this. Boom. Okay. I'm selling already. Target number 1 is this. I'm going to let me actually do it twice. Okay. I'm selling. Target number 1 is this. Target number 2, 161.8. Because they came back here, they're actually failing to break the zone. Okay. They're failing to break the zone. Okay. They are failing to break. Sorry. They are failing to break. Come on. They are failing to break the zone. And you can clearly see that. Boom. They're breaking down. Obstacle number 1. Okay. My first obstacle is this candle right here. Okay. It's that candle right here. When they come back there, they're probably going to take the price up. And then from there, they're going to drop it again. Just like that, guys. Just like that. Like don't overcomplicate yourself. If you can just get into this system, this is actually what I'm going to teach you guys in the mentorship, to get into this system. Once you get to this system, it's just going to become systematic. You know, you're not going to be guessing anymore. Like, you know what to do. When it gets, I'll do this. When it does, I'll do this. When it does this, I'll do this. Understand, guys? The call's gonna drop, guys. Let's have a quick discussion. Quick. Unmute your mic. Quick discussion. I hope you found this this Zoom call very informative. So I'll see you in the group, guys.